If the FordPass app is not working on your phone, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a very quick and simple fix that can solve the problem in just a few steps. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the settings on your phone. Once you are inside the settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. After that, look for the option called Storage or Storage Manager and tap on it. Here you will see a list of all the applications installed on your phone and how much storage they are using. Now scroll down through the list until you find the FordPass app and tap on it. Once you open the FordPass storage settings, you will see the option to uninstall the app. Go ahead and tap Uninstall app and confirm. Doing this removes the application, along with temporary files and cache data that may be causing the app to stop working properly. After uninstalling it, you will also see the option to install the app again directly from this same section. So simply tap install and wait a few seconds while the app downloads and installs again. Once the installation is finished, open the FordPass app and log back into your account. Reinstalling the app like this refreshes the system and often fixes problems like the app not opening, crashing, or not working correctly. And that's it. That's how you can fix the FordPass app not working in 2026 using this quick and simple method. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.